It's been nearly an hour. They've been going through our van for nearly an hour. So I feel like crossing fingers isn't going to be enough this time, guys. Okay, so the guy just came and spoke to us halfway through. We have to pay a whole bunch of money basically for them to make some document. And he asked us if we have a certificate for the rims, guys, because the rims are not original. This stuff really irritates Georgia. Just look at this. She hates it.
It makes no sense. So we're driving back after we've got the results from the inspection.
Guess what, guys?
We have 18 things wrong. A list of 18.
And the guy says the engine is running rough and that the airbag light flashing is a problem. I don't trust him. I don't like his opinion. Today is a new day.
We've got a new plan.
Yesterday we did not have a plan, feeling very despondent, but after a good sleep,
I feel good, and we're going to Freiburg.
Yeah.
It's in Germany somewhere.
So we just put out some feelers, asking who can help us. But our good friend Brigitte, who actually used to be George's lecturer, funnily enough, and was just coincidentally my friend. It was quite funny when they met. She can help us in southern Germany, which is 4 hours away.
And apparently there's a lot of like old vans on the road, so I feel confident. We are finally on the road.
We are on the way. We have come up with a new plan. This is plan B or E, I'm not sure, which is still to go to Germany. But we're going to go to Stuttgart. Stuttgart?
I have no idea.
So just some updates on our plan. I'm not sure what letter we're on, but we've changed it again. We are now going to Freiburg, which is apparently quite a hippie town, very laid back. Our friend recommended that we go there.
So we made it. An hour away from Freiburg. Now we're just having a quick little dinner, hop into bed, and head to Freiburg tomorrow to get the car sorted. Why is this egg so funny? This is a flippin' boiled egg. I'm trying to fry a boiled egg.
I find that so funny.
No, it's so not cool. What? Okay, yes.
Before I go to bed, I'm going to look for mechanic on Google Maps. I'm going to find, I don't know, maybe I find the mechanic with the lowest reviews. Who's the least professional? I don't know. We'll find the right person. It's a cool 1 degrees. And I can assure you that Sunny is going to start happily. Just waking up. Exactly. How can you fail a vehicle that starts that easily in 1 degrees? These are some really interesting roads. Going through all these roads and knowing that I could be skating them is quite exciting, because I'm sure there's going to be a lot more in Europe. Okay, we've made it. We're not sure which mechanic shop to go to, so we're going to take a quick walk.
It's so stressful driving on these roads.
Yeah, it is.
Someone hooked it at me.
So we got this place. Look at all these vans. Maybe. Very friendly old man has given us a Decra place to go to.
We are currently at our third mechanic, because the place the Decra said that they won't accept that rust spot. This is the fourth place that we've tried, and they said that the little rust spot is a problem. Right. We are about to go into our fifth option, and
these doors again give me PTSD.
Yeah, these bloody doors. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to them this time, and maybe it'll work. So I think we're biting the bullet a little bit, and we are trying to get this thing welded, huh?
We found this very dirty little workshop that I like a lot. And the mechanics are, I don't know exactly where they're from, some Eastern European country, which I also like a lot. Good news, they're gonna fix the rust for us, but we need to go get a COC document. It's like a, I don't know, like an ID book for the car basically. So we're gonna find the place to do that. Everyone goes on lunch here in Europe, so we've got about an hour's gap to just also go on lunch, I guess. Just decompress, relax, and then go back to the workshop. They'll sort out the rust, and then from there, I don't know, maybe get the road really done today, I don't know.
Welcome to my food truck. Today we have toasted egg and cheese on gluten-free brioche bread. Little update. Our car is up and
Romanians are awesome.
they are sorting us out. They're fixing the rust, they're trying to fix the airbag sensor and the rattling and everything to make it roadworthy.
So we're busy making coffee for one of the mechanics while we wait for the big boss to talk to us about the welding. And I was just saying, it feels so familiar and so comfortable talking to foreigners for some reason. Like we can connect on how ridiculous the bureaucracy in these first world countries are. Yeah, it's just strange that it feels so familiar talking to Eastern Europeans here in Europe. So, day one, I would say in Freiburg was a very big success. Tomorrow we're going to go to do the roadworthy. These guys have a connection that they've made an appointment with, and they'll fix whatever needs to be fixed. And then after that, just get Georgia's register in Germany, and then we can register the car in her name. Good morning, it's day 2, and we are working on the car again. So not only are they fixing our car, but they've literally just driven it off to do the roadworthy for us.
Insane.
Highs and lows. This is one of the lower points of our trip. And not only would Austria not roadworthy our van, but Germany will not camper-worthy our van. We don't really know what to do exactly. Our Romanian friend is thinking of some ideas and some possible options, but it doesn't look like anything is going to be happening this Friday, which also probably means Georgia's going to fly to Sweden by herself on Tuesday. Yeah, so welcome to our low. You want to say anything? Georgia doesn't want to say anything. You could sell it
Can't sell this car.
for scrap. You could export it to Romania and sell it there.
You could sell this kitchen alone. I don't freaking know.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
What would you
What
buy
are we
this
gonna do?
interior for?
What are we gonna do, Georgia?
No, we will sell it in Greece. That sounds nice.
Nah,
No?
I don't know. Well, I think we just have to come to terms with the loss of money.
Yeah, that's okay.
60,000 rand each down the drain if we get nothing for this car. That's it. So we may actually end up just doing this properly and giving Germany whatever the hell Germany wants, so we can register our van finally.
Yeah. So last night's sleep was not the best. It was alright actually. There was nice rain and we slept in a gypsy park is what Nicholas calls it. Today the plan is to get the car some certificates, or at least talk to them and get some guidance of where we stand. Yeah, we're really wanting to try and do it legally. and maybe it'll be not as bad as we think.
So we've just gone to, I think it's called Sudkampa. I don't know how you pronounce the U with the 2 dots anyway. Sudkampa, the guys here have given us hope. They said that it's a good van and that everything is basically fine to pass the special camper tooth. Go. Kane, come here. So I'm in the car. They've lifted me up. They're busy checking things. I can feel them poking and prodding underneath the car. And this is so stressful. Depending on how long this list is, it'll tell me whether I'll have this car ready to go to Greece and to pick up Georgia. And that is in approximately 8 days away. But tomorrow's the weekend and nothing happens on the flipping weekends. So that doesn't count. Wish me luck. I had to get wheel alignment done after the suspension work, and I ended up going to 10 different places. 10. But on the 10th place, she said she can help me out, actually tomorrow or Wednesday. So yeah, that's really annoying, and mainly because I know one of those places would have had an opening if they really wanted to help me out. It's just it comes across as being very unhelpful, but I think they just follow the rules and they just follow the systems, and it's irritating. Yeah, today really did just summarize all my frustration that I've had and George's frustration the last 2 weeks in Germany. It's like the whole day is gone and all I've managed to do is get an appointment for Wednesday. The whole day is gone, and that's non-stop of me driving and trying to just get simple wheel alignment. Not a big deal. 30-minute job, really. Yeah, it's just freaking it's tough. It's tough out here, guys. So tomorrow we get the roadworthy, which is a huge accomplishment. A lot of work has been done. And now I have 2.5 days to register it in my name or someone else's name. That's tomorrow afternoon, and then Thursday, Friday before I go to Munich to pick up Georgia on Sunday. And I have not even a slither of a solid plan to make that happen. Yeah, I feel very irritated. I feel angry with this land. I feel angry with these people, which is probably not justified at all. It's just my situation. Yeah, I really thought it would have been easier, but there are no, or very, very few cracks in the system, and it's very, very hard to push the boundaries at all, which is not something that I'm used to. Life has such a weird way of knocking you when you're down. We have a puncture which has turned into a full-blown flat tire, but that problem, it seems so minor now. That doesn't even faze me compared to the other challenges that are ahead. Today we have to find someone who is willing to share their address with me. So the car can be in my name, all the responsibilities on me. They just need to receive my post. Our Romanian mechanic friend has managed to somehow get us an appointment at the traffic department tomorrow morning, which is Friday morning. And that's my last chance. Sunday I have to go pick up Georgia, and then Monday we start driving to Greece. So it's now or never, guys. So it's the end of Thursday. I found a young Turkish guy who said he can receive my post. So tomorrow 8 a.m. we go. But I don't fully trust this whole situation. I don't trust Germany. Germany has a funny way of crushing any hope that you generate. So I'm not holding my breath. Probably the last night at the Romanian workshop. Yeah, I'm not sure what to say. I don't really like Germany. I feel very, very drained after the last 2 weeks. I'm tired. And I'm excited to leave. Anyway, the Turkish guy didn't pitch up. He sent me a message now saying that he fell asleep. Great. After saying you're such a good guy and he's a man of his word. Anyway, I was pretty emotional when they were telling me that I can't get this license plate now and I have to pay 350 euros for the export. That I just said no, I'm not doing that. I was angry. I regret that now, because now I'm driving illegally and it's stressful. But nothing I can do about that now. We are on the way to Saskia, a good friend who I'll stay with for 2 days until I pick up Georgia in Munich, and then see what Georgia wants to do. Maybe we get export license plates on Monday, maybe we try our luck and just drive through. So
it's a new day, it's a new dawn.
Georgia has lost her voice.
I've lost my voice from 10 days of silence. I just got a flu, but we are on our way to try and get the car registered. I'm feeling hopeful because it's been 10 days of me not struggling. Nicholas is like, I'm fed up, I just want to leave. So let's see how it goes. I have no words. We drove all the way to our appointment at 8. We were there on time. We woke up really early to get there. There's a bit of traffic. We almost missed our appointment. We made our appointment. We're in the room, and guess what? We left the documents at the hostel. So we had to make another appointment. We were gonna drive all the way back to the hostel, but we called our friend who filled out the papers, and now we're just going to his house to sign the documents, get his ID, head back to our appointment. But it seems promising because the lady knew the law, so it seems promising. Nicholas is trying not to get his hopes up, but that's okay.
I don't trust Germany at all. Went, got the documents, and now we've got our plates. That's crazy.
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
It's going to Greece.
Going to Greece.